Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Lovely this Volvo XC 2 litre, it's an XC60 2 litre D4 SE luxury. Now this is Euro 6 on a 2015, so this is ULEZ compliant Euro 6 start-stop manual. 88,000 miles, 11 services, cam belt replaced at 51,000 miles, 11 services, 88,000 miles, manual, got Pirelli tyres on it, you can tell it's been looked after. Metallic black leather, privacy glass, 13-pin tow bar, load covers in there. So, great tread, Pirelli tyre on the back, Pirelli Scorpion, Pirelli all season on the front, great tread, not stone chipped or tatty in any way. Price of this car, £9,595, and that gets you a ULEZ car that will go into the city. Black leather, multifunction steering wheel with cruise, got DAB radio, Bluetooth, got heated seats, it's start stop, 6-speed manual diesel, super clean, not knocked about in any way, really has been looked after this. Remember, 11 services, 5, 9, 13, 23, 36, 42, 51,000 miles, cam belt and water pump, 53, 62, 71 and 80 something. So mega history. Tow bar, power tailgate, 2 litre D4. These go so well for a 2 litre. Super clean in the boot area, lovely. Press the button, power tailgate closes. Can't really see any dents or scratches, a couple of tiny little marks, but for a 2015 car done 88,000 miles, it is in very nice condition. Another Pirelli Scorpion tyre on the back, matches the other one. Pirelli all seasons on the front, loads of tread on them. Heated mirrors, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. $88,000 miles. Driver's seat leather's in good condition. Beautiful car. Drives so well. Can't tell you how well it drives. 88,000 miles, £9,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. On there will be lots of other Volvo XC60s for sale. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can come through those. There'll be lots of Volvo XC60 videos. If you will be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.